Isn't that fun? Oh, awesome. You're so brave. Look at you.
Yeah, try to stay still though.
Stay still, bud.
Yeah.
Okay. Just keep your arms still. I just had the rest of the lentil soup and Adelina helped me. So I'm also hungry still. So I'm gonna get a sandwich. So just doing an easy dinner because I did not make anything. Making the boys pizza, just frozen pizza. The boys are eating this tonight. It was a freebie with Ibotta. Our chickens made 3 eggs.
No?
Michael is making us dinner tonight with leftover chili. He's making nachos. And the boys want oatmeal. So I am still on the mend. So I'm drinking some tea with honey and just want to have something simple. So I'm having a waffle. I am like in a fog since I'm trying to like meal plan, do this pantry challenge while being sick. So I'm just gonna try to do the best I can with what food we have and how my brain is operating right now. I have a cabbage. I found this recipe online, want to test it out, and then I was thinking of doing a broccoli stir fry with the chicken. Making pinto beans as well. So let's see if we can do this. This was one of those like better than meat videos, and I'm a carnivore. I love meat, so we're gonna see if this is good. I put it in this pan, but I will link the recipe below. And we're also going to be having some of the leftover brown rice with the broccoli chicken stir fry. My mommy made a soup because like we're sick still. And I picked up some produce. Strawberries were on sale for Friday, and then I got some lemons, some apples, and some drinks for hydration. Also, the bacon was on sale for $2.99, so limit 4. I picked up 4 of them. And then the sparkling ice drinks were on sale for 89 cents and a $1.20 coupon off of 6. So I picked that up. Michael let me sleep in today. It's the weekend, and Michael fed the boys oatmeal already, and he made Adelina an egg. Oh, you made me cake? Mommy, so I am having soup again for breakfast. So hopefully I start feeling better. So I did get a free offer for eggs. So I was able to pick up a dozen eggs for free yesterday as well. But I did pick up some Powerades because I was needing more like electrolyte juice here, just that's convenient. And then I picked up some orange juice because it was on sale for $2.99 this week. So I did spend some money, but it was for stuff that is hopefully going to get us better, and just some produce and some veggies and fruit. So I'm eating this for my mommy. Michael said he already had a cheat meal, so I get to have his. I'm going to be making some chicken pot pie. We have 1 onion, and we have some shredded chicken, some broccoli.
Ever since I was born, been a spring flower's daughter. Hibernate till it's warm, and the snow melts to water.
So he says to put potatoes in it. I nuke mine because I don't like having to wait for them. So I'm just gonna nuke them in the microwave for a couple minutes so they're soft. I only used half of an onion, and I'm gonna put this in the fridge for another meal. So I just got it out the microwave. They are perfect for this. They are hot. I'm just gonna slice them up.
Songs of birds in the trees, whisper of new beginnings. The
instead of using whole milk like he suggests, I used some sour cream because it got super watery, but it was still not expired, and I wanted to use that up as well. So I'm just gonna let it simmer. So I have leftover pie crust from the last time I made pot pie, and this is the brand I use. It's just the one from Albertsons. And there's 2 rolls in here. Probably won't use all of this because I have this half as well.
Daisies, I wear like earrings, but here comes a change. I can feel it inside. I see sun in the cloudless sky, so I open my windows and breathe in the breeze of March dancing on my...
As you can see, it's only 12:41, but I like prepping dinner early, especially if it's chicken pot pie, and then it's ready to go when I put it in the oven around 4 so it cools down. I always want something to eat, so they're gonna finish the cabbage. So I'm finally gonna eat. Did you have fun eating cereal? I made a sandwich. I was craving Subway, so we have Subway at home. So it says, "You are loved," and that message is for you too if you haven't heard it today. I should have let it thaw before I like completely unrolled it, but it's okay. It's gonna be eaten. It looks so yummy. So I cut the boys slices, and Declan always asks for a heart because I did it the previous time. So I made 3 little hearts for the boys. This is how it looks on the inside. There's not a bottom crust, but just wanted you to see how it looks like. Super excited. It smells so good. Boys are eating chicken pot pie, and Declan wanted chili. I'm eating chili, and Declan's gonna eat the last piece of pot pie. I am making Declan some popcorn, and just using 2 rows of this discounted peppermint mocha cookies because I want something sweet. So the boys are eating oatmeal again with peanut butter. I forgot to do this yesterday, but breakfast is served. Yummy, and the strawberries are so good. Have a normal snack. Catalina is eating a banana. There's a guy that sells these avocados, but the top was a little bruised, so I cut it off. My sister gave it to me. So I'm eating the last egg white and just like half of the avocado. Michael is making his first meal. So I made them tuna sandwiches for lunch with some craisins and pickles. I just made some hummus from dry chickpeas, so in spot and then in the blender, so I'm happy to get rid of some dry ingredients. Actually craving some hummus and just figured might as well make it myself, so that's what I did, and it doesn't taste too bad. So you're probably wondering why our counters, like nothing's on them. We redid them and they will, see, I'm still recovering, but we are wanting them to like really cure before we put stuff on them. So hence nothing is on them right now. We had to regrout an area and then grout pin didn't work, so that's what we're working with. I'm going to have an upcoming video on what we used on it and the methods we tried before. But this week I'm going to try to use more of like the dry ingredients in our home. So it will be a more creative, thoughtful meal planning this week. Going forward, since I am feeling a little bit better, I just have a little cough that keeps like lingering around, a little booger. But anyways, I just wanted to let y'all know that I am still doing this pantry challenge, even though I have had some setbacks with sickness and all, but I hope you stick around. And if you like this content so far, give me a like, a boomsies, as my kids like to say, and let's get back into this video. I'm finally eating lunch, and it has a little bit of string cheese in it, which I've never done before, but I thought it was perfect because it's long and skinny. Michael is making dinner tonight. Got some hot links about to go in the oven. Michael made dinner. And then Adelina's gonna just have noodles. You like them? So here's my breakfast. And the boys had oatmeal, but this is leftover hot links and eggs and half of the rest of the avocado. So I'm gonna make this curry. It's with split peas. It needs coconut cream, diced tomatoes, but I'm gonna use tomato sauce, some ginger, and then some seasonings, the leftover onions, and then I'm gonna use the potatoes. So going to get rid of a lot of things right now. So the boys wanted mac and cheese for lunch, so that's what I made them. And I'm still working on this. This is Michael's lunch, and this is my lunch. It tastes really good, actually. It's a joint effort tonight. Michael's making brown rice because we're out of white rice, and he made refried beans from the can. I just peeled all the tails off of this cooked shrimp already. We're gonna be using these. If you haven't seen my video of customer service from Siete, then go check that out. And this taco seasoning packet that was in my pantry stockpile. Grated some cheese. There are some tomatoes and then spinach. Here is dinner: shrimp tacos, brown rice, and I wanted my pinto beans, but Michael made refried beans, so that's what the kids got.